see this? This is my baby right here. I found her here in the woods. Check this out. Ooh. Check that shit out. She a bad bitch. You see, she a naughty bitch. Yo, this, you see this? It got, it misses one hole right there and it's still wet. It's kind of fucking gross. Here we have the Piggeline juice. It smells terrific. It smells amazing. You see, bitch, you know? You know? She's, if I want, I can turn her on, if you know what I mean. But I won't do that because check this shit out. She ain't plugged into anything. And this looks, I don't know if that's supposed to look like that. Ew! That shit feels bad. I don't know what that is. Here you got that lid on the top. Oldies or goldies, if you know what I mean. And that's my tour of my fridge bitch.